Alright YouTube, here's the in-car of the XRC on Rusty Nail on the same obstacle. This is no left turn, but we are doing it backwards. This view really shows you that you're literally on a cliff's edge. It was pretty crazy. It's pretty awesome. It was super fun. If you haven't been to Moab, put that on your list of things to do. It is so much fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this clip. Thanks.
Looking. I can't see you. Good? Can I go off? I can't move.
I said it in the back.
What?
Your tire's like this. Go backwards and try and get that front tire.
Well, it's the back. What's the back on? My back is stuck.
Here, what's on the back?
Just in the ditch, in the middle of the ditch.
So if this tire's on the ground, that tire's off. Okay, see if you can back up like that. With the tires turned like that. No. Turn the tires the other way.
What?
Turn the tires that way.
To go back?
Yeah.
I can't though. do here? What's this side looking like? Do I need to go back down or?
So,
I don't want to slide that way.
then,
Should I go back down?
no, I think just keep the tires turned. Not like that. Just the wrong way. Sorry.
Do I need to go that way? Which way?
Go back. Turn them that way. So go back down. Okay, ready? Now turn this way. Come on, just the tires went this way. There you go.
Okay, watch out, Devin. Can I go a little bit?
Yep. Go.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this little video of the XRC. As you can see, it kicked ass. It was a ton of fun. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.